We're here at Spokeland Bike Collective in Oakland, California. Today we're going to get a behind-the-scenes look at what makes a bike collective work. I'm Mike Alston, and for the last 4 years I've volunteered at this bike collective in West Oakland. But there are bike collectives like this one all across the country. So today I'll teach you 5 things that you can do at a bike collective near you. So what is a bike collective? Let's break it down. Bike collective is basically another way of saying community bike shop. Imagine bringing your bike to a place where you can get hands-on support, education, and learn how to use the tools safely. That's basically what we do. And bike collectives, also known as bike kitchens, reduce transportation barriers by making it easier, more accessible, and more affordable to commute and ride around by bike.
As a bike collective, we really want to empower people to, work on their bike and bike more, and then, get more people to be on the road. But then also it's a camaraderie thing. Like, we all have the same kind of values, want to see more community members be able to bike. It's just building a community. That's what really important about a bike collective.
So let's get into it. 5 things you can do anytime you want at a bike collective near you. Number 1, you can fix minor problems that might be keeping you from riding your bike. For example, in this case, if your wheel was rubbing against your brakes, maybe feeling a little unstable and you didn't know why, we'd help you identify that you needed to true your wheel, and then we'd teach you how to fix it.
When the shop is open, we provide services that include Do It Together, which we call DIT, where you come in with your bike and you let us know there's something going on with my bike. I want to check it out. And we practice a pretty hands-off approach. We will verbally instruct you how to put the bike in the stand, which tools to use, what to look for, and try our very best not to put our hands on the bike, but let you do it yourself.
Number 2, you can buy used parts and use and refurbished bikes at discounted prices. For example, this bike was donated to us, we built it back up with available parts, and we've listed it at a really affordable price. Number 3, you can learn practical tips for how to ride safely. We have League of American Bicyclists certified instructors, but all of our volunteers can help you figure out how to put fenders on, which lights to choose to ride in the night, and those sorts of things. Number 4, you can volunteer like me to level up your mechanical skills, or you can leverage skills you already have to help run the business. We need bookkeepers, social media wizards, you name it.
Even if you're not a big biker, there are so many ways that you can get involved in a collective, looking for people that know how to do finance, how to help us better use our money for our shop. So we have a variety of volunteer position that whatever you're comfortable with, you can totally chime in. And another thing is, when I first started, I know nothing about bike, and then I enroll in the bike mechanic mentor program, and I just learned more about bike parts. I can differentiate between different kind of brakes nowadays. So that was very helpful for a sales position when you learn more about bike.
And number 5, you can help build community. Follow your local bike kitchen or bike collective on their social media or their websites, show up to their events, and simply spread the word. Tell your friends to show up and take part.
If you're interested in starting a bike collective in your community, you don't have to start from scratch, because there's been documentations for a lot of organizations on, how their models work. Start by getting in contact with your library and, any kind of public spaces that are very accessible to find out whether they would be interested in collaborating with you about that. I think that the very heart of bike collectives is collaboration. So find a group of people and find a shared space, and, again, just, apply your skill to where your community needs it. And you've made a bike collective.
So do some research. Find a bike collective near you and show up. You might just be surprised what you find.